Easy Mac versus Maruchan.
We are Juan Ordaz,
Adrián Alejandro,
Roberto González,
and Diego Landa.
What is our project about? With this investigation, we plan to analyze the preference from the local society regarding only two different products, Easy Max or Maruchan. Both products consist of the same methodology, which involves its fast preparation using the microwave. The reason for the investigation involving these fast food products is the fact that Easy Mac is originally from USA and Maruchan from Mexico. Being a local fast food with plenty of recognition, with this in mind, we established the following hypothesis. If local consumers prefer Easy Max over Maruchan, then this product will prove to be more popular than the local brand.
Our survey questions are: how many times do you eat Easy Mac per week? How many times do you eat Maruchan per week? How do you rate Easy Mac from 1 to 10? How do you rate Maruchan from 1 to 10? Which one do you believe is healthier? Which one is better? Which one looks better? Which one is easier to cook and eat? Which one is found easier in your supermarket?
How many times you eat Easy Mac per week? The results told us that if we look to the mean on the males, it's 0.5, which means more or less half a Maruchan and Easy Mac per week. And on the females, we have a mean of 0.37 of Easy Mac per week. And now from Maruchan per week, we found out that the mean in males is of 0.87 per week, and on the females is 0.37, which indicates a higher average of Maruchans per week than Easy Macs per week. Now, how do we rate Easy Mac from 1 to 10? The results told us that the mean was 6.83 on the males and 5.75 on the females from Easy Mac. And on Maruchan, we found out that the average is 6.5 and 5.42 from male and female. And this indicates that from Easy Mac, the average is higher than Maruchan, which tells us that people prefer more Easy Mac than Maruchan.
we will now proceed to the non-numerical questions. Which one you believe is healthier? We can see in here that Easy Mac have better scores, better results. And the next question, which one is better? We can see the results are similar. Easy Mac had a little more in female, but still the same. In the next question, which one looks better? Easy Mac wins for Maruchan, based that people here in Mexico think that Easy Mac's better, but we cannot find it that much here in Mexico. Which one is easier to cook and eat? The one that is higher Maruchan is easier. Which one is found easier in your supermarket? We can see here that Maruchan is the higher result, based that we made the survey here in Mexico, and Maruchan here in Mexico are more popular than Easy Mac. Some statistical results. We made one t-test result. We can see this question was the how many times a person consumes Maruchan, and we want to find the significant difference between male and female. So this will be a two-tailed, and we can see that T-stat in this one was 1.72, and the critical value for a two-tailed was 2.007. So we can observe in this result the critical for a two-tailed is bigger than t-value. So there is no significant difference between the answers between females and males. We also made a one chi-square, and in this case we want to find if the observed values and the expected have a significant difference or not. We obtained that the p-value in this chi-square test is 0.07, and we can observe the result for this question is no significant difference between the observed and expected, because the p-value obtained in this test is larger than 0.05, so there is no significant difference between the results. A small value close to 0.05, but is still a larger, considered to be no significant difference.
Based on the texture, quality, taste, and the level of healthiness both fast foods have, we can conclude that Easy Mac is locally preferred than Maruchan, giving it a better rating. But if we take into consideration the eating habits, the popularity of the product, and the accessibility it has, Maruchan is mostly consumed on the local market.